Hello everyone. In today's video, we will discuss full forms of Internet and IT terms. Let us check them out. Our first term is ACID. It stands for Atomicity, Consistency, Isolation, Durability. Next is ACL, that is Access Control List. ADC का full form है Analog to Digital Converter. ADF का full form है Automatic Document Feeder. Let us see the next set of terms. ADSL is Asymmetric Digital Subscriber Line. AFP is Apple Filing Protocol. AGP is Accelerated Graphics Port. AIFF stands for Audio Interchange File Format. Next term on the list is AIX, that is Advanced Interactive Executive. ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. ANR stands for Application Not Responding. ANSI is the acronym of American National Standards Institute. Next term is API, that is Application Program Interface. APM, Actions Per Minute. APU, Accelerated Processing Unit. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. Our next term is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASO stands for App Store Optimization. ASP is Active Server Page, Application Service Provider. Our next term is ATA, that is Advanced Technology Attachment. ATM का full form है Asynchronous Transfer Mode. ATX stands for Advanced Technology Extended. AUP is Acceptable Use Policy. Next is AVR, that is Audio Video Recorder. BASH stands for Born Again Shell. BASIC, Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy. Next term is BIOS, that is Basic Input Output System. BLE is Bluetooth Low Energy. BLOB is Binary Large Object. BMP stands for Bitmap. Next term is BSOD, that is Blue Screen of Death. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CAN is Campus Area Network. CC stands for Carbon Copy. Next term is CCD, that is Charged Coupled Device. CD stands for Compact Disc. CDR stands for Compact Disc Recordable. CD-ROM stands for Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Next term is CDRW, Compact Disc Rewritable. CDFC, Compact Disc File System. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. Next we have CGI, that is Common Gateway Interface. CISC is the acronym of Complex Instruction Set Computing. CLOB is Character Large Objects. CMOS stands for Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. CMS का full form है Content Management System. CMYK का full form है Cyan, Magenta, Yellow, Black. CU का full form है Control Unit. CORS stands for Cross Origin Resource Sharing. Next term is CPA, Cost Per Action. CPC, Cost Per Click. CPL, Cost Per Lead. CPM, Cost Per 1000 Impressions. Next is CPS, Classroom Performance System. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CRM, Customer Relationship Management. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. Next term CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. CSV, Comma Separated Values. CTP, Composite Theoretical Performance. CTR, Click-Through Rate. Another term CUDA, Compute Unified Device Architecture. DAC, Digital to Analog Converter. DAW, Digital Audio Workstation. DBMS, Database Management System. Next term is DCIM, Digital Camera Images. DDL का full form है Data Definition Language. DDR का full form है Double Data Rate. DDR2 का full form है Double Data Rate Type 2. Next term is DDR3, Double Data Rate Type 3. DDR4, Double Data Rate Type 4. DFS का full form है Distribution File System. DHCP का full form है Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DIMM का full form है Dual Inline Memory Module. DKIM का full form है Domain Keys Identified Mail. DLC stands for Dynamic Link Content. DLL is Dynamic Link Library. Next term is DMA, Direct Memory Access. DNS, Domain Name System. DOS, Disk Operating System. DPI, Dots Per Inch. Next we have DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DRM also stands for Digital Rights Management. DSL is Digital Subscriber Line. DSLAM is Digital Subscriber Line Access Multiplexer. Next term, DTU, Document Type Definition. DUT, Device Under Test. DV stands for Digital Video. DVD is the acronym of Digital Versatile Disc. Next term is DVD plus R, Digital Versatile Disc Recordable. DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable. DVD-R, Digital Versatile Disc Recordable. DVD-RAM, Digital Versatile Disc Random Access Memory. DVD-RW, Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable. DVI, Digital Video Interface. DVR, Digital Video Recorder. ECC, Error Correcting Code. EDI का फुल फॉर्म है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डेटा इंटरचेंज. eGPU का फुल फॉर्म है एक्सटर्नल ग्राफिक्स प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. EIDC का फुल फॉर्म है एनहांस्ड इंटीग्रेटेड ड्राइव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. EOL का फुल फॉर्म है एंड ऑफ लाइफ. EPS का फुल फॉर्म है एनकैप्सुलेटेड पोस्ट स्क्रिप्टिंग. ERP का फुल फॉर्म है एंटरप्राइज रिसोर्स प्लानिंग. ESATA एक्सटर्नल सीरियल एडवांस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी अटैचमेंट. EUP Enterprise Unified Process. Next term is EXIF, Exchangeable Image File Format. FAQ, Frequently Asked Questions. FDDI, Fiber Distributed Data Interface. FIFO, First in, First out. Next term is FILO, First in, Last out. FIOS, Fiber Optic Service. FLOPS, Floating Point Operations per Second. FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array. Next term on the list is FPS, Frame per Second. FPU, Floating Point Unit. FQDN, Fully Qualified Domain Name. FSB, Frontside Bus. Next we have FTP, stands for File Transfer Protocol. GBPS, Gigabytes per Second. GIF का फुल फॉर्म है ग्राफिक इंटरचेंज फॉर्मेट. GIGO का फुल फॉर्म है गार्बेज इन गार्बेज आउट. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज GIS, जियोग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स. GPGPU, जनरल पर्पस कंप्यूटेशन ऑन ग्राफिक्स प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट्स. GPIO, जनरल पर्पस इनपुट आउटपुट. GPS का फुल फॉर्म है ग्रोवर प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट टर्म ऑन द लिस्ट इज GPU, ग्राफिक्स प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. GUI का फुल फॉर्म है ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. GUID, Globally Unique Identifier, HAN, Home Area Network. Next term is HD, High Definition. HDD, Hard Disk Drive. HDMI, High Definition Television. HDR, High Dynamic Range. Next term is HDTV, High Definition Television. HDV, High Definition Video. HFS, Hierarchical File System. HSF, Heat Sink and Fan. Next term is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. IO, Input Output. Next term related to Internet, ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICCID, Integrated Circuit Card Identifier. ICF का फुल फॉर्म है इंटरनेट कनेक्शन फायरवॉल. ICMP का फुल फॉर्म है इंटरनेट कंट्रोल मैसेज प्रोटोकॉल. नेक्स्ट टर्म इज ICS का फुल फॉर्म है इंटरनेट कनेक्टिंग शेयरिंग. ICT का फुल फॉर्म है इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. IDE stands for Integrated Device Electronics. IDS, Intrusion Detection System. Our next term is IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IGP, Integrated Graphics Processor. ISS, Internet Information Services. IM, Instant Message. Next term is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity. NIC, Internet Network Information Center. IOPS, Input Output Operations per Second. Next term is IP, Internet Protocol. IPC, Inter-Process Communication. IPS, Intrusion Prevention System. IPX, Inter-Network Packet Exchange. Next is IRC, Internet Relay Chat. IRQ, Interrupt Request. ISA, Industry Standard Architecture. ISCSI, Internet Small Computer System Interface. Next term is ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, ISP, Internet Service Provider, ISR, Internet Service Routine. Next term is IT, Information Technology, ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, IVR, Interactive Voice Response, JBDC, Java Database Connectivity. Next is JFS, Journaled File System, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JFS, Java Server Faces. JSON का फुल फॉर्म है जावास्क्रिप्ट ऑब्जेक्ट नोटेशन, JSP का फुल फॉर्म है जावा सर्वर पेज, JVM जावा वर्चुअल मशीन, KBPS किलोबिट्स पर सेकेंड, KDE के डेस्कटॉप एनवायरनमेंट, KVM स्विच कीबोर्ड वीडियो एंड माउस स्विच, LAMP Linux Apache MySQL and PHP, LAN local area network. Next term LCD liquid crystal display, LDAP lightweight directory access protocol, LED light emitting diode, LFN long file name. LIFO का फुल फॉर्म है लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, LPI लाइन पर इंच, LTE लॉन्ग टर्म एवोल्यूशन, LUN लॉजिकल यूनिट नंबर. MAC एड्रेस मीडिया एक्सेस कंट्रोल एड्रेस, MAMP Mac OS X Apache MySQL and PHP, MANET Mobile Ad Hoc Network, MBPS megabits per second. MBR का फुल फॉर्म है मास्टर बूट रिकॉर्ड, MCA का फुल फॉर्म है माइक्रो चैनल आर्किटेक्चर, MDI stands for मीडियम डिपेंडेंट इंटरफेस, MIDI is म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिजिटल इंटरफेस. MIPS stands for million instruction per second, MIS का फुल फॉर्म है मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, MMS is मल्टीमीडिया मैसेजिंग सर्विस, MP3 is MPEG1 ऑडियो लेयर 3. MPEG is Moving Picture Experts Group, MTU stands for Maximum Transmission Unit, MVC stands for Model View Controller, NAT stands for Network Address Translation. Next term is NetBIOS, Network Basic Input Output System, NFC, Near Field Communication, NFT, Non-Fungible Token, NIC, Network Interface Card. Next term is NINO, Nothing In, Nothing Out, NMS, Network Management System, NNTP, Network News Transfer Protocol, NOC, Network Operations Center. Next term is NOS, Network Operations Center, NSP, Network Service Provider, NTFS, New Technology File System, NTP stands for Network Time Protocol. NUI stands for Natural User Interface, NVRAM, Non-Volatile Random Access Memory, OASIS, Organization for the Advancement of Structured Information Standards, OCR, Optical Character Recognition. ODBC, Open Database Connectivity, OEM, Original Equipment Manufacturer, OLAP, Online Analytical Processing, OLE, Object Linking and Embedding. OLED का फुल फॉर्म है ऑर्गेनिक लाइट इमिटिंग डियोड, OOP ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग, OSD ऑन स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले, OSPF ओपन शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ फर्स्ट. OTA का फुल फॉर्म है ओवर द एयर, OTT ओवर द टॉप, P2P पीयर टू पीयर, PC पर्सनल कंप्यूटर. हमारी नेक्स्ट इंटरनेट आईटी टर्म है PCB, प्रिंटेड सर्किट बोर्ड. PCI का फुल फॉर्म है पेरिफेरल कंपोनेंट इंटरकनेक्ट, PCIX का फुल फॉर्म है पेरिफेरल कंपोनेंट इंटरकनेक्ट एक्सटेंडेड, PCM CIA पर्सनल कंप्यूटर मेमोरी कार्ड इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन. PDA का फुल फॉर्म है पर्सनल डिजिटल असिस्टेंट, PDF पोर्टेबल डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर्मेट, PDU प्रोटोकॉल डेटा यूनिट, PHP हाइपरटेक्स्ट प्री प्रोसेसर. PIM Personal Information Manager, PMU Power Management Unit, PNG Portable Network Graphic, PoE Power over Ethernet. Next term is PON Passive Optical Network, POP3 Post Office Protocol, POST Power on Self Test, POTS Plain Old Telephone Service. Next term is PPC Pay Per Click, PPGA Plastic Pin Grid Array, PPI Pixel per Inch, PPL Pace per Lead. Next is PPM Pages per Minute, PPP Point to Point Protocol, PPOP Point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, PPS, paper scale. PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, PRAM, parameter random access memory, PROM, programmable read-only memory, PS2, personal system 2. PUM, potentially unwanted modification, PUP, potentially unwanted program, QBE, query by example, RAID, redundant array of independent disks. RAM का फुल फॉर्म है रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी, RDBMS रिलेशन एल डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, RDF रिसोर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन फ्रेमवर्क, RDRAM Rambus Dynamic Random Access Memory. Our next term is RFID रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी आइडेंटिफिकेशन, RGB का फुल फॉर्म है रीड ग्रीन ब्लू, RIP का फुल फॉर्म है रूटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोटोकॉल, RISC रिड्यूस इंस्ट्रक्शन सेट कंप्यूटिंग. ROM का फुल फॉर्म है रीड ओनली मेमोरी, RPC रिमोट प्रोसीजर कॉल, RPM रेवेन्यू पर 1000 impressions, RSS RDF साइट समरी. RTE runtime environment, RTF rich text format, RUP rational unified process, SaaS software as a service. Next term is SAN storage area network, SASS syntactically awesome style sheets, SATA serial advanced technology attachment, SCSI small computer system interface. SD का फुल फॉर्म है सिक्योर डिजिटल, SDK सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट किट, SDLC सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट लाइफ साइकिल, SDRAM सिंक्रोनस डायनेमिक रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी. SDS सॉफ्टवेयर डिफाइंड स्टोरेज, SDSL सिमेट्रिक डिजिटल सब्सक्राइबर लाइन, SEO सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, SERP सर्च इंजन रिजल्ट पेज. Next term is SIM card, subscriber identification module card, SIMM single inline memory module, SIP session initiation protocol, SKU stock keeping unit. SLA software license or service level agreement, SLI scalable link interface, SMART self monitoring analysis and reporting technology, SMB server message block. SMM social media marketing, SMS short message service, SMTP simple mail transfer protocol, SNMP simple network management protocol. SODIMM small outline dual inline memory module, SOA service oriented architecture, SOAP simple object access protocol, SOC system on a chip. SPX sequence packet exchange, SQL structured query language, SRAM static random access memory, SRE site reliability engineering. sRGB standard red green blue, SSD solid state drive, SSH secure shell, SSID service set identifier. SSL secure socket layer, TCP transmission control protocol, TCP IP transmission control protocol, internet protocol, TFT thin film transistor. TIFF tagged image file format, TLS transport layer security, TTL time to leave, TWAIN toolkit without an informative name. UAT user acceptance testing, UDDI universal description discovery and integration, UDP user datagram protocol, UEFI unified extensible firmware interface. Our next term is UGC user generated content, UICC universal integrated circuit card, UML unified modeling language, UNC universal naming convention. UPnP universal plug and play, UPS uninterruptible power supply, URI uniform resource identifier, URL uniform resource locator. USB universal serial bus, UTF Unicode transformation format, UUID universal unique identifier, UWP universal Windows platform. VCI virtual channel identifier, VDSL very high bit rate digital subscriber line, VDU visual display unit, VFAT virtual file allocation table. VGA video graphics array, VIP virtual IP address, VLAN virtual local area network, VLB VESA local bus. VLE virtual learning environment, VoIP voice over internet protocol, VPI virtual path identifier, VPN virtual private network. VPS, Virtual Private Server, VRAM, Video Random Access Memory, VRML, Virtual Reality Modeling Language, W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. WAIS, Wide Area Information Server, WAMP, Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP, WAN, Wide Area Network, WDDM, Window Display Driver Model. WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy, WIMP, Windows Icons Menus Pointer, WINS, Windows Internet Name Service, WLAN, Wireless Local Area Network. WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access, WPA2, Wi-Fi App Protected Access 2, WWW, World Wide Web, WYSI, WYG, what you see is what you get. XAML Extensible Application Markup Language, XHTML Extensible Hypertext Markup Language, XML Extensible Markup Language, XMP Extensible Metadata Platform. XSLT Extensible Stylesheet Language Transformation, Y2K year 2000, ZIF Zero Insertion Force. So with this we come to an end of this video. Thank you.